What's up, fam? This is your boy Savage, here with the Maonocaster C2 Neo with up to 60 dB gain. Yes, for your XLR condenser microphone. I want to send a shout out to Maono and Cherry for sending this unit out for Sav to check out. You feel me? Jumping in the fast lane. Let's bust this wood. Sav, Maono. Right off the bat, warm tips to help you get your setup ready and running. And here you have the manual. We might get to that later, but not right now. Not right now. So this unit has 48 volt phantom power and 60 dB gain. Enough to push your SM7B, which you're listening to right now. And I'd like to show these little cards and the manual for people that's interested in buying this or already have it. And for the people that don't want to go dig that box out just to get that manual, Sav got it right here for you. Yeah. So I will be using this microphone the whole way through this video. Here you have your TRRS cable, 3.5 millimeter. Here you have, what? Maono, come on. All right, so here you have your USB-C to USB-A charging cable or interface cable, either or. Let's push a little deeper, fam. Get this baby on out of this box. And for the life of me, many hours later, there we go. Come on out for daddy. And here we have, it also has 7-hour work time. Ultra portable, lightweight. Your one-stop mixer streamer, making you the boss of your live stream. This is lighter than I thought it would be. Very light. Plastic house. You know, but let's dive in a little further. Plug and play. Smartphone, computer, tablet, etc. The USB-C power cable, headphone jack, and aux in. Slider levels are smooth. Both of them. We have one for your headphones and one for the mic input. Your mic gain button. That's your aux level button. You know, 48 Bluetooth, reverb, side chain. You know, customize your pad. Got your pitch, noise reducer, and 3 side pads to customize. You know, and then you have the big knob for your sound out. So you have a USB-C power connection. You also have a USB-C to your interface, your computer, your MacBook, what have you, phone, tablet, and that's your mic in right there. Sweet. Streaming out, headphone, and aux input. All right, so when you first power this unit up, you'll see headphone set, microphone, Maonocaster C2 Neo right there. Make sure it's checked. Usually automatically checks itself. And I'm not going to change anything because I don't want to mess up the recording. As you can see, what I have everything set on. 2-channel, 16-bit, 48,000 hertz. DVD quality. My mic is all the way up, and there, right there where you can go in and you can test your settings to see how high you need to have. All right, fam, this is your boy Savage. We're gonna take a look at the Maonocaster right quick. You have 48-volt phantom power right here on there. You have Bluetooth in to record from your phone, pad, or what have you. Anything that has a Bluetooth connection should be good. Before I even get started, I am on noise reducer. So noise reducer 1, I'm gonna leave it there. This is your reverb setting. This is reverb 1. This is reverb 2. This is reverb 3. And there you have it. This is sidechain. So what sidechain does is, if you have audio coming in here on your Bluetooth or your aux connection going in from the back, it will lower that music down while you're talking, and then it will it'll bring it back up when you stop talking. Okay, right here you have your sidechain. Your direct monitor. All right, that's going straight to your headsets. And here you have your pitch presets.
This is pitch 1. You have to give this a second for it to kick in. So be mindful of that.
This is pitch 2.
This is pitch 3.
This is pitch 4.
All right, so you have 4 of those pitch presets. And I'm on noise reducer 1 here. This is noise reducer 2. And this is noise reducer turned off. Okay, and this is how it sounds. All right, so I'm going to put that back on for now. And here you have 3 sound pads. You can customize those sound pads with, sound effects or what have you. Okay. Then you have your slider for your mic. For your headphones, smooth sliding. This is your adjustment for your microphone input there. This is your gain. This is what you're using as your gain. So I'm not quite all the way up using that total 60 dB gain because I'm kind of clipping. So I got it turned down a little bit. This is your aux adjustment leveler. This right here, this big knob, this is for your USB and streaming output. So you can turn up even though I have it turned down, my gain here and my microphone setting here, I still can adjust the sound. I can adjust what goes into the computer through the USB or the stream out. Okay. All right. This is how it sounds. This is your boy Savage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely hit that bell, and see you at the next round. Don't forget to check the links in the description. Savage out.